Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get speed ups in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how to get this, but the first way is to go to your store. We can purchase these by going to our store, so in VIP or Alliance. So I'll go ahead and click on the VIP tab and then scroll down, and you can see we've got different type of speed ups. So we've got 5-minute speed up here, etc., and 1 hour speed ups, 8-hour speed ups. So we can go ahead and purchase them here. But if you don't want to purchase them, there are other ways. So daily missions and quests. So completing your daily and weekly missions often rewards you with speed ups. Always clear your task list. Events, so go ahead and click onto events and have a look at all the different events going on. So participate in special and seasonal events. Many milestones in these events include speed up rewards. Campaign and challenges, so progressing through the campaign and completing challenge stages can reward you with speed ups. Also, your alliance rewards. Joining an active alliance pays off. Alliance chess wars and team activities often give up speed ups.